this session, we're constructing a floral crest using mirrored illustration elements. Create a tall canvas, then use custom shapes or hand-drawn pen tool leaves, vines, and petals. Draw only one half of the composition first. Group everything, duplicate the group, and flip horizontally to form a perfect mirrored crest. Adjust anchor points where needed so the mirrored halves feel organic rather than copied. Add line weight variation to give the crest personality. Apply soft, low-contrast gradients to each floral component, avoiding vibrancy so the design feels elegant. Place a monogram or brand initial in the center using a serif typeface. Add a faint watercolor-style background using a soft brush at low opacity. This creates an upscale identity mark suitable for invitations or boutique logos.